What's up, guys? Today I'm going to talk about what's in my camera bag as far as full frame Sony gear. This is the A7C. I've got the little viewfinder thing on here so that you can actually see through the viewfinder and you don't have to deal with this little thing. So yeah, this is the best deal for a full frame Sony camera. It's basically like having an A7S III with a flippy screen, but it's a lot less, almost all of the camera. And then we've got the Tamron 150 to 500. It's a good deal for kind of a small zoom lens that still has a huge range. The best portrait lens for a full frame Sony camera is the 85-1.8 because it's cheap. It has the manual autofocus switch and it has good bokeh. Looks good. This is actually the 11 Artisans. Let's see. Yeah, it's 11 Artisans. I think it's 11 or 12 millimeter f2.8 fisheye. It's good for skateboarding. And then we've got the Samyang 35 millimeter 1.8, the weather sealed one. And yeah, that is basically my full frame Sony camera bag, and that's what I would suggest. I mean, that's all you really need. You could use those Tamron zooms for everything, or I think the 85-1.8 is really the best full frame Sony lens, followed by the 35-1.8 from Rokinon or Samyang. Either one, it's the same company. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.